carry look-ahead adder. The addition of two binary numbers in parallel implies that all the bits of the organ and addend are available for computation at the same time. As in any combination circuit, the signal must propagate through the gates before the correct output sum is available in the output terminals. A carry look-ahead adder reduces the propagation delay by introducing more complex hardware. Each gate generates a delay D called propagation delay. Propagation delay in a circuit is delay of a gate times the number of gate levels. In a full adder, the input carry Cin propagates to output carry Cout through an AND gate followed by an OR gate. One stage of a full adder generates 3D delay. For 4 stages of a 4-bit full adder, total delay is 4 times 3D, which will be equal to 12D. The number of gate levels for the carry propagation can be found from the circuit of the full adder. The circuit is redrawn with different labels for our convenience. The input and output variables use the subscript I to denote a typical stage of the adder. The signals Pi and Gi settle to their steady state values after they propagate through their respective gates. These two signals are common to all half adders and depend only on the input organ and addend bits. The signal from the input carry Ci to the output carry Ci plus 1 propagates through an AND gate and an OR gate, which constitutes two gate levels. There are several techniques for reducing the carry propagation time in a parallel adder. The most widely used technique employs the principle of carry look-ahead logic. Consider the circuit of the full adder. If we define two new binary variables, Pi, which is equals Ai exclusive or Bi, and Gi, which equals Ai and Bi, the output sum and carry can respectively be expressed as Si equals Pi exclusive or Ci, and the carry can be expressed as Ci plus 1 equals Gi plus Pi Ci. Gi is called carry generate and it produces a carry of 1 when both Ai and Bi are 1, regardless of the input carry Ci. Pi is called carry propagate because it determines whether a carry into stage I will propagate into a stage I plus 1. We can now write the expressions for carry outputs of each stage. C0 equals the input carry. C1 will be equal to G0 plus P0 C0 from the expression which we derived just now. C2 will be equal to G1 plus P1 C1, which equals G1 plus P1 G0 P1 P0 C0 after substituting for C1. We also get C3 equals G2 plus P2 C2, and after simplification our C3 will be equal to P2 P1 P0 and C0. Since the Boolean function for each output carry is expressed in sum of products form, each function can be implemented with one level of AND gates followed by an OR gate. The three Boolean functions for C1, C2 and C3 are implemented in the carry look-ahead generator. Note that this circuit can add less time because C3 does not have to wait for C2 and C1 to propagate. In fact, C3 will be propagated at the same time as C1 and C2. This gain in speed of operation is achieved at the expense of additional complexity hardware. The construction of a 4-bit adder with a carry look-ahead scheme is shown here. Each sum output requires two exclusive OR gates. The output of the first exclusive OR gate generates the Pi variable and the AND gate generates the Gi variable. The carries are propagated through the carry look-ahead generator and applied as inputs to the second exclusive OR gate. All output carries are generated after a delay through two levels of gates. Thus, output S1 through S3 have equal propagation delay times. The propagation delay is reduced and it provides the fastest addition logic. These are the advantages of carry look-ahead adder. The disadvantages are the circuit gets complicated as the number of variables increase. The circuit is costlier as it involves more number of hardware. Thank you.